I'm doing another beach scene today, and I really enjoy doing these, especially recently. It's so easy to pull together a scene, and I'm just adding in some yellow ochre near the horizon line and wetting the top part of the page. While it's wet, I'm just dropping in some cobalt blue and letting that mix together. And I'm lifting out some of that paint as well with the dry paintbrush while adding in some of this thicker blue paint. Now I'm doing some of the sea and leaving some areas of white in it as well. I'll put this sketch together quite quickly actually and just added in the two figures, but you can go ahead and change it to whatever you'd like. You can even add a lifeguard on a few more figures on the beach. So now I've just blended that sea in the center of the piece with some yellow ochre and letting that all dry now. Adding a little bit of color now into the headland at the back. It's a kind of grayish blue, almost looks green, and softening some of those edges. Doing these figures in a bit of yellow ochre, and that's also mixed with some scarlet, pyrrole scarlet, and also just doing some of the details on these surfboards. Using a round brush, number 6. Two main brushes I use in my paintings, just usual round brush and larger mop or calligraphy brush for the larger washes. I'm just adding in some more details to the waves. And just a bit of detail and shadows to the foreground. Now just playing around with these figures a bit more and adding in the shadows and some shorts, the heads, and also the shadow underneath the figures as well. And I've actually drawn in a few more figures here because I felt the painting looked a bit bare. I've got a guy that's in the middle of the painting here. I've coloured him pretty dark compared to the other figures because I'm actually having him under an umbrella. Just adding that all in now. A bit of the shadow under the umbrella, the stem. Bit of the shadow on the surfboard. Just adding in some more hair and things like that. And I've decided to put another figure sitting down next to the umbrella. And just do these other ones at the front as well. And you can detail parts of the painting to draw the viewer's attention to it, and that's why I haven't put too much detail in the two figures at the front. And now adding in some birds, of course, you need to have some birds on the beach, and colouring in that headland a bit darker. Thanks for watching.